Hey guys, so I just want to quickly mention this before I get into this video. First of all, I am a competition for maximum and it literally takes under 5 seconds to vote. So if you haven't voted for me, please click on the link down the bar below. And there are two different votes. One is the live vote, which you could pay to vote, and the second one is the free vote. So you could choose either or. It really takes under 5 seconds. So please share this video. After I upload this, it should be a few hours left to vote for the top 5. I made it to top 10. Now the June top 5 is the cutoff, and I am position 7, which is making me so excited and so anxious at the same time. I was like, am I gonna get in? Am I gonna not? My heart is racing so fast. So if you haven't voted, please just literally takes under 5 seconds to vote. Link down in the bar below. Please go vote, and thank you so much for voting. So let's get into this video of unboxing this Influencer Box. And if you want me to review any of these products, just let me know down in the comments below and smash that like button if you love makeup products. Let's try not to mess up here. Hey guys, I just got my Influencer Box, which consists of a few things that are in here. Let's just open this baby up. I love this teal box. So we have a card of goodies in this box. So the first thing for this product, I've actually never used this product before. I think you could get this product at Sephora. So after this video, I am going to double check and see if this is actually in Sephora. So it's called the Juicy Beauty, the Organic Solution. This is SPF, and it's also a moisturizer, which is amazing since summer is coming up. And having 30 SPF really helps protect your face from wrinkles, sun damage, and all of that good stuff. So SPF is very important to me, just to have better skin. If you want better skin when you're older, start now. So here's this. I will be doing a full review on this after testing this for about a week or two, and I would do a full review. So if you want that, let me know down in the comments below and hit the like button, so that will let me know that you guys would like to see that video to see if this product is actually worth your money. The next thing, this is from Laneige Sleeping Care Lip Sleeping Mask Grapefruit. So basically this is just lip chat for your lips. Oh my god, that is so cute and tiny. Anything miniature is so adorable. So I've tried it this morning. It is very moisturizing, and I applied lipstick on top, and it made my lips a lot more comfortable to wear matte lipsticks, especially if you have dry lips. Next, we got the Clean & Clear Deep Action Peel Off Mask, which has activated charcoal, carbon active, oil-free. It also helps exfoliate and peels away dirt and impurities. So let's do a night routine using this mask and see how well this actually performs on the skin. Clean & Clear Night Relaxing Jelly Mask, Seaweed Extract and Hyaluronic Acid, which is supposed to be really moisturizing for your face, and it won't clog pores. And seaweed is in here, so that's, hopefully I'm not allergic to that, because my skin is so sensitive. It's so dusty. I just got this in the mail yesterday. Why is this so dusty? Elf? Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette by Elf, which I have never tried their eyeshadow palettes before, so let's see how well. Hopefully this is very pigmented. I heard that it's a really affordable brand. I tend to have more of very sensitive, delicate skin. I have to be really particular in a product that I use, or my face will break out. It will just have such bad rashes. Hopefully this product wouldn't do that for this eyeshadow, so I will be creating a makeup look using this Elf eyeshadow palette in my next video. So if you want to see that, let me know down in the comments below and smash that like button to let me know that you guys do want to see me do a demo and review this product, see how pigmented it is it worth your money, because I've definitely heard this is a very affordable product for sure, and it's nice to have those affordable options and not splurge on something that's like Sephora, which I feel like some of the stuff is overpriced. But with my skin type and my experiences with drugstore and Sephora products, most drugstore products, they gave me such bad rashes and bad skin. Just my skin is so sensitive, and irritates so easily. And Sephora, if you try a product and if you like it, if you try a product at Sephora and you have a bad experience, you get really just bad rashes, whatever happens with your skin, and it doesn't work out for you for some reason, you could bring it back to them and find a different product that is actually compatible and good for your skin, since I do have really sensitive skin, which is a huge thing that I have to be so particular with. So necessarily, if one product does work for you, it might not work for me, and vice versa. So if you do want to see this eyeshadow palette and want me to create a makeup look with this palette, because it's just so affordable, let me know down in the comments below that you want to see the e.l.f. makeup tutorial, and click the like button. If you would like to see me review any of these products, click the subscribe down the bar below, click that little bell, and also let me know down in the comments below and hit the thumbs up, so that would let me know. That you guys would like to see that. I'll see you guys in my next video and be more consistent. Don't forget to smile and be yourself, because a perfect person will like you for who you are.